From when you first walk in the door, the environment is extremely kid-friendly. One of my favorite things about the practice is there's a lot of moms that work here, and we are moms. My children are not small anymore, but there are lots of moms of small children that understand the anxieties and of not just the children, but also of the parents of coming into a new space and easing them into something that might not be natural or comfortable for them. So I think there's just a lot of years of experience here, empathy and compassion for this particular type of patient. We tried to welcome our patients and make them as comfortable as possible, like I said, in something that's not quite in their norm, laying back, looking up at a bright light, sitting with maybe 2 or 3 people looking at you. So a lot of that is just trying to meet the child where they are. And if we can ease them into something, make it just a little bit more comfortable for them, we're going to do that. So treating each child like they're our own.